Yifundise iadventure yakho ane. Yifundise imanza kufakela ingoma. Le ngoma ithi, the lawmaking powers will be against God's people. Every soul will be tested. Oh, that we would as a people be wise for ourselves, and by precept and example impart that wisdom to our children. Every position of our faith will be searched into, and if we are not thorough Bible students, established, settled, and strengthened, the wisdom of the world's great men will lead us astray. The world is busy, anxious, and devoted. Evil is eagerly followed as though it were righteousness, error as though it were truth, and sin as though it were holiness. 546 ifundisa iadventure yayo. Yiyo le nto ndisebenzise ityhuni ye-adventurers apha. Mfundise umntanakho, uzimince naye 6 days uhleli kuwe. Uzimince naye umfundise, kuba ezinye izinto ekufanele zifundiswe ngabazali ekhaya abazuzifumana ezinkonzweni. Inkonzo zii-hours ezimbalwa. Ifune umntu intika usazinyuse ekhaya 6 days usekhaya, and then ke uhambe uyokhonza ngosuku lokukhonza. Yenze. You are doing the right thing.
Wisdom had built in her house. She had hewn out her 7 pillars. Proverbs 9 verse 9. And the maiden business she obtained kindness of him, and he speedily gave her things for purification, which such thing has belonged to her, and servant maiden, which begged to be given him. Out of the king's houses he preferred her, and her maids into the best place of their house. Prosper 2 verse 9. Mount Zion was just before us, and on the mountains the glorious temple. And above him the 7 other mountains, on which grew roses and lilies. This temple was supported by 7 pillars, all of transparent gold, set with pearls most glorious. The wonderful things I saw I cannot describe. Oh, that I could talk in the language of Canaan. Then could I tell a little of the glory of the better world. 1T69, 7 dead, 7 spirit, 7 church, 7 golden candlesticks and stars, 7 lamps of fire, 7 seals, 7 horns, 7 eyes, 7 angels, 7 trumpets, 7 thunders, 7 heads, 7 contemplate, 7 golden wells, 7 kings. 1 the sanctuary, 22 October 1844, investigative judgment, Christ ministry. 2 second coming of Christ. 3 angels message, the remnant and its mission. 7th day Sabbath, Friday sunset to Saturday sunset. Sabbatical 1,000 years rest of earth, the millennium. The gift of prophecy, Ellen G. White, Revelation 19 verse 10. The dead are dead sleep, preceding the gift of immortality. We need then to study the word of God, that we may know why we believe the doctrines we advocate. LDE 209 Quebec. The lawmaking powers will be against God's people. Every soul will be tested. Oh, that we would as a people be wise of ourselves, and by precept and example impart that into our children. Every position of our faith will be
researched into. And if we are not thorough Bible students, disciples, strengthen and settle the wisdom of the world's great men will lead us astray. The world is busy, anxious and devoted. Evil is eagerly follow as though it were righteousness. Error as though it were truth, and sin as though it were holiness. 5:46. All of transparent gold set with pearls most glorious. The wonderful things I saw I cannot describe. Oh, that I could talk in the language of Canaan. Then could I tell a little of the glory of the better world. 1:69. 7 death, 7 spirit, 7 just some golden candlesticks and stars. 7 lamps of fire, 7 seals and a horn, 7 eyes, 7 angels, 7 trumpets, 7 thunder, 7 heads, 7 flocks of things, 7 golden wells, 7 keys. 1 the sanctuary, 22 October 1844, investigative judgment, Christ ministry. 2 second coming of Christ. 3 angels message, the remnant and its mission. 7-day Sabbath, Friday sunset to Saturday sunset. Sabbatical 1,000 years rest of earth, the millennium. The gift of prophecy, Ellen G. White, Revelation 19 verse 10. The dead are dead slaves, preceding the gift of immortality. We need then to study the word of God that we may know why we believe. The doctrines we advocate, LDE 209.